Are you struggling to create a stunning website without coding? You're not alone. Many small businesses and professionals face this challenge. Meet Pagecloud, your all-in-one website builder. With Pagecloud, anyone can create a custom website in minutes, no coding skills required. Imagine a world where you can easily drag and drop elements, customize your site, and launch an online store in just 5 minutes. Experience unmatched visual editing with powerful design features. Capture leads effortlessly with customizable forms that fit your style. Optimize your website for search engines with built-in marketing and SEO tools. What sets Pagecloud apart? It's not just user-friendly, it's also designed for collaborative success. Build your dream team to manage your online presence effectively. Ready to transform your online journey? Start your free trial today and unleash the potential of your business with Pagecloud.